Greetings, this is Jerry Revier with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering Team. This video will show moving and changing VLAN and IP addressing configurations in the following H.248 gateways: the G350, 350, 430, and 450. This video will be describing a more and more common event as the economy and telephony environments are changing the way business is done. Customers are requesting service changes where H.248 branch gateways are being moved to different locations and reestablished on different networks. This is occurring for many reasons. Some are flattening of the telephony infrastructure, business location consolidation, and they are reusing the capital investments previously made. What this means is that the gateway will have new VLAN and IP addressing requirements. This gateway may also have a system platform-based S8300 media server associated with it. The S8300 will need to be modified as well, and that is covered in a separate Avaya Mentor video called Reconfiguring the VLAN and IP Addressing on an In-Service S8300D. This video today will focus on the reconfiguration of the branch gateway. We will be using a G450 media gateway in this demonstration. I have logged into the G450 and have issued the Show Running Config command. I have highlighted the current IP addressing configuration associated with the VLAN interface number 1. We are going to implement a new VLAN interface 10 and associate the new IP addressing with that interface. We will also move the ICC VLAN and the Primary Management Interface PMI to that new interface. Please note that all of this provisioning work needs to be done directly connected to the gateway, since changing the IP address and the VLAN structure makes it impossible to continue to be workable on the network. The first step is to enter into the interface VLAN 1 context and remove the existing IP address with the No IP Address command. This frees up the PMI for use in the next steps. I am now entering the new VLAN context by issuing the command interface VLAN 10. I will define the new IP address as shown. I will define the new PMI within this new context. Once I associate the PMI to this new context, the system responds with the configuration needs to be saved and the platform reset to make the PMI change effective. Before doing this, I am moving the ICC VLAN to this interface context as well, and before exiting to perform the copy running config startup config command to save the work performed. Then the platform will be reset, and I will continue after the reset completes. The G450 reset has completed, and I have logged back into the CLI. I have issued the Show Running Config command, and I have highlighted the previous work we have just completed. I am defining the port native VLAN for the two LAN ports of 10/5 and 10/6 with the command set port VLAN 10/5-6. This command may or may not be needed depending upon the customer's requirements. It is being shown here for completeness. What is missing is a default route for the branch gateway, as the old one was erased when the original IP address in the interface VLAN 1 context was removed. It is being added back in now for the new network configuration. I have performed a final copy running config startup config command. To prove out the work recently performed in the previous few steps, I have initiated a ping to a remote node on the customer network, and I have received back an acceptable reply. Thank you for your time today. We hope this information was useful. We welcome your comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. Thank you for choosing Avaya.